Hello, my name is Sai Prakash, and today I am here to talk to one of the persons who learned things at Bolt IoT and now is out there in the industry and doing a lot of great stuff. So I welcome Saif and just to share a lot of things that he has done through his journey through with Bolt IoT and also what all learnings he had and how did it help him in his course. So welcome, Saif. Thanks for joining us today. And how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks, Sai Prakash, for inviting me here.
Perfect. So, just for the sake of my audience, why don't you start by introducing yourself? Who is Saif Qureshi exactly?
Sure. I'm Mohammad Saif Qureshi. I'm from Kolkata. I have done my BTech in 2020 in electrical engineering, and currently I'm working at TCS for last
Mhm.
6 months.
Oh, wow. So you just recently graduated. So, maybe if you're watching this video some point down the line, but this is being recorded in March 2021 and he is graduated in 2020. So, uh, congratulations on getting your first job, say
Thank
firstly. So how did that happen? Like, did Bolt IoT help you in that
Yeah,
any
obviously.
way?
Actually in the interviews they ask questions from the projects we have done. So it Bolt IoT has helped me a lot in my projects. I have done my project in Bolt IoT, and I'm from electrical background. So there might be one question that why did you choose an electrical? Why didn't you choose an electrical? Why are you choosing IT? So I had one project to show my interest in IT, and it has helped me a lot.
Okay, so before we get into that, how did you get to know about Bolt? So where did this journey start?
Actually, in university, the in third year we have to do a mandatory training. So, from my friend, I came to know about this IoT training from Internsala. I checked it out and find it very interesting that
Mhm.
little amount of money, I'm getting a that kit also and also the training stuffs. So it was quite fascinating seeing this.
Wow. So you grabbed upon the
Yeah,
opportunity
yeah,
that you
right.
had at your disposal. Good. So, how exactly, you found that you had actually your college made you go through a training.
Yeah,
You were not interested, but you paid for it and then joined
yeah,
this training. Maybe colleges these days, a lot of colleges still aren't providing enough trainings, but that's where platforms like Bolt IoT really stand out, and they are helping students of these colleges who cannot get a lot of opportunities and the and good trainings from their colleges. So what exactly in this course, once after you bought this course, or you enrolled into this course, what exactly did you learn? How was the journey of this course for you?
actually, I didn't know anything. I was from electrical. I didn't know anything about Python, HTML, CSS. Nothing I knew. But going through the courses, I came to know various things, and
Hmm.
I made few projects, see few basic projects firstly, and then that basic project grew my interest in it, and I kept on exploring and made few projects for my final year.
Wow. So how was like from the day when you started to the day you end, what was the major difference that you saw in yourself?
I was a student who scared of IT subjects. I don't go to classes when there is C classes. But when I go through this bold course, I started learning Python, and it was quite interesting that after Python, I means from YouTube I learned Java, and then rest is history that I left electrical background and I've joined IT industry. I'm liking my work.
Wow, that's good. A lot of people out there, they keep saying that, why did you, you get into electrical when you wanted to land up into IT? I would like to answer that question basically because a lot of people ask that question is that, when you choose a subject, it is not that every time you end up doing the same thing. Over the course of the journey, you might realize that there's definitely electrical is a great subject.
Yeah,
Without electrical, how would the IT work?
exactly.
Because that's what is generating that power for this laptops that we are using. But you know uh, it depends upon individual interests also, what you want to pursue. And then the flexibility that we have, specifically in the engineering background, is that, specifically with IT, is that no matter what background you come from, you can pick up the technology, you can learn them over the course of time, within a short span, and then you can get into that industry and shine
Yeah,
like
right.
anything. If I am sure, definitely, if even if someone asked the same question to Sundar Pichai, he would answer the same thing, because he was from
Yeah,
metallurgical
yeah.
background, right? So he did metallurgy engineering, and then he
Landed up
now
in
he is
Google.
ruling the whole world
Yeah,
of
yeah.
IT, right? So that's how it is. Correct. So I really hope the same for you, that you really shine out, and go to that place. But uh, can you explain what kind of projects you did over the course of this whole journey through the through Bolt IoT's course?
Actually, I'm type of business minded person. If I have spent some money, I will earn it from somewhere. So I used to see that in our colleges technical events, there are basic
Hmm.
projects and they are learning they are means earning a lot from the competitions. So I thought of making this. I made a basic projects like
Oh.
I just turned on the light via my Google Assistant, and means it is new in the field. In colleges they don't
Hmm.
usually do it, so it was a quite big thing. And at that time it was quite basic project, so I got the second prize.
Hmm.
Then this second prize has it means increased my interest in it, and I kept on exploring and made some projects like I have made automatic street light, then intrusion alert, then control the speed of the fan. Firstly, I turned on the fan and turned off, but then I controlled the speed of the fan via Google Assistant, and then bring this project into another
Wow.
intra college. Then it was a district level competition, and I got the first prize over there. I got money from there also.
Oh, wow, congratulations.
Thank you. And then seeing this,
So you compensated all the money that you spent
yeah,
for Bolt IoT, and
yeah, yeah. Moreover, seeing this,
great.
my friends and juniors asked me where did I do. Then I referred them via Bolt. I got 500 each refer also from Bolt.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's great. That's great. That's the beauty of Bolt IoT, is that you share, and it's not only that you are getting 500, but definitely you are helping those
yeah, yeah,
people
yeah,
who can make some 5 lakhs down the
yeah,
line. There's those people. The knowledge that you get here is more important than any money. Definitely money is important, but knowledge, if you have that knowledge, you can make money over
yeah.
the course.
Right.
So my next question is, how did these projects, or the things that you did, help you other than in getting through this competitions and all?
Means you're asking
What all other benefits you had?
other benefits like I told you I'm from electrical. I didn't know anything about this IT sector. Then I came to know. I learned Python, then HTML. Then this increased my interest in IT. I learned Java, and then after learning Java, I have given some like NQTs of TCS National Qualifier Test and of various exams like I give Wipro,
Hmm.
CTS, TCS. I've qualified all CTS, Wipro, and TCS. Unfortunately, I didn't qualify the interview of CTS, but I qualified
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
I qualified Wipro and TCS interviews. And means in all the interviews
Oh.
they ask questions from your
Great.
project. They don't want to know about what trainings you did. They want to know what you learned from this training. What did you do after learning from this training? So this is our
Ah,
project.
correct, correct. So you explained about those projects in the
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
interviews?
yeah. In Wipro interview there means there was a fan. He just wanted to know.
Oh.
He was just wanted to know how will I control the fan with Google Assistant. I explained everything which I learned from the Bolt IoT, and he was quite impressed with it.
Hmm.
He just told me. He
Wow.
just told me.
That's pretty
Yeah.
amazing, man. That's really pretty amazing.
He just told me like consider me. I am a rickshawal. I don't know anything. Just explain me everything from scratch, from basic, so that everyone can
Hmm.
understand.
Hmm. So completely in layman
Yeah,
terms, you
yeah,
were
yeah,
able to explain
yeah,
him the
yeah,
whole
yeah,
thing that you learned. I must say, I have personally experienced this. This happens only when you understand
yeah.
the subject thoroughly.
Right.
You being able to explain a concept in to a layman person only happens when you understand that concept thoroughly in and out. And I'm sure you definitely had a good understanding of that subject, and that's where you were able to explain the whole
Right.
thing. Pretty amazing. And what else? How? What else benefits? I mean, what else did you reap out of this thing? What? How did else this projects help you, or the whole course with Bolt IoT help you?
Means I already told you that I had no interest in IT, but this course has increased my interest in IT, and I'm working for an IT sector, and I want to
Hmm.
pursue my career in IT only.
Okay. And I mean, did you also get trained for the trainings that we give in that we also help for how to prepare for placements and all these things? Did that help in any
Yeah,
way?
there is a section. There is a specially section for CV making, how to make a CV perfectly. So there was few points which
Uh-huh.
I kept in mind. How to make that CV. There was a format of CV. I frankly speaking, I still use that format. I on Sunday, I had to send
Wow.
on Sunday I had to send CV for Infosys. I have been selected for SES. So it means SES post for Infosys.
Hmm.
I have just edited few means experience section and uploaded the same CV to them. It is quite good format.
Wow.
Yeah. In Wipro, I remember
That's great, man. That's
i-
great. So you're
in Wipro interview, what happened? This interviewer asked me, "Tell me one thing which you are, which you really are." I told him I'm lazy, but he told me that seeing your CV, it doesn't seem like
hmm.
every detail is beautifully mentioned here. Why are you saying
Oh,
you're lazy? Then I frankly told him that I didn't make that CV. Yeah, I just downloaded the format from where I did the training, and he was like laughing and saying me that that's what I wanted, honesty from you.
wow, that's really beautiful, man. That's really beautiful. That's what people really look for. You need not boast around what you are not.
Yeah, yeah,
Frankly tell what you are and what are your capabilities. Even if they are minimal, people look at your characteristic rather than technology, because technology over the time it can be
yeah.
taught, but characteristics have to be ingrained. They have to be your core values. They cannot be taught,
Right.
and technology can be taught anytime. Okay, it was really great talking to you, Saif. But before I leave you for the day, can you give me, not me, but the college going students still who are your juniors basically, who are still pursuing their engineering, what would that be one suggestion that you felt is really important when you are doing engineering, and you would pass on that to your juniors?
The only one means session will be focused more on practical knowledge because it is gonna help you. That your theoretical knowledge means result is doesn't matter. You for some marks is required like 60% in all the MNCs they require 60%, but practical knowledge more required nowadays. They focus they will test you in interview what do you know. They means from your marks they are not going to judge you from the
Hmm.
like in interviews from the questions they are going to judge you there nowadays there is a lot of means online platform where you can test your knowledge, so focus more on practical knowledge, it is going to help you in long run
Hmm.
and will give you platform to learn and make something out of it.
Great, great. That's a great suggestion. Wow, great. Thank you. Thanks that you really reap the benefits out of the courses that are being offered at Bolt IoT, and I am really happy that you got settled well after going through this training of Bolt IoT, and all the best for all your future endeavors, man.
Thank you.
Uh, Keep rocking like this always.
Thank you, same to you.